Small object photogrammetry is perfect for beginners. We're talking action figures, pottery, jewelry, collectibles, anything that fits on a table. I'm going to show you the two main techniques. The turntable method. Method 1. Use a turntable or lazy Susan. Place your object in the center. Set up your camera on a tripod and rotate the object instead of moving the camera. Take a photo every 10 to 15 degrees vertically. That's 24 to 36 photos per ring. Do this at 3 heights: low angle, straight on, and at a high angle. This will give you 72 to 108 photos total. Method 2. Keep the object still and move physically in circles around the object. Again, 3 height levels, moving in a complete circle at each level. This works better for objects you can't rotate, like a plant in a pot. It is also more accessible for beginners. Lighting is critical. Use soft, diffuse lighting. No harsh shadows or bright spots. Overcast outdoor light is perfect. Or, if you're indoors, try softening the light. Using a softbox is perfect. Avoid direct sunlight and camera flash. Keep lighting consistent throughout the shoot. Each photo should overlap the previous one by 70 to 80%. This is crucial. The software needs to see the same features in multiple photos to calculate depth. More overlap is better than less. Avoid shiny or transparent objects for your first tries. Moving too fast between the shots and inconsistent lighting. Start with matte, textured objects.